Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the KAZOLEN floor protection mat for hard floors, for office chair underlay, floor mat for laminate, parquet, tiles and hard floors itself. It is available in 90 to 140 centimeters. And if you do not need a so big one, you can choose 90 to 120 centimeters. It's a non-slip and floor protection in one. The underside of the floor protection mat can be effectively attached to the floor due to its smoothness. The surface of the floor protection mat is roughened. When we move the chair, then it can move easily on it without slipping. It protects our hard floors from all types of marks or scratches. Before we will get it on the floor, we have to remove the cover on the backside, of course. Under this, there's an anti-slip matte surface. The hard floor protection is of course the main thing of it. This office chair mat is designed for office and play chairs. When we move the chair can easily move on it without slipping. It protects our hard floors from all types of marks or scratches itself. It's suitable for hard floors such as vinyl, stone, tile, wood, laminate, and concrete too. The floor protection mat dimensions are 90 to 120. Or, in this case, it's 90 to 140. Rectangular base with rounded corners. The thickness is 4 mm. Perfect for all types of chair movement and hard floor protection in any area. We should not use it on carpets. And it's environmentally friendly. The floor protection mat office chair transparent is made of high quality and non-toxic plastic. The longer service life also saves money and reduce waste. We have to note it will be folded in a pack, so we can put some weight on it to smooth it faster. But you can see it comes out of the box and is ready to use. Because it's a multifunctional floor protection mat for office and home. It can be used under chairs, under computer tables, under plants, under furniture, under ornaments, under crafts and more. It is good for the loads under heavy equipment. The chair pad is suitable for laminate, parquets, tiles, woods, floors and hard floors too. That's awesome. It's really awesome. It's approximately 900 grams, which this weight come. The size approximately 140 to 90 in this case, or you can choose 120 to 92. It's 100% polyester fibers. The front and the acrylic resin is back with catechine. It's anti-slip and steady. This mat prevents the floor from being damaged by chairs, legs and casters. In the back, adsorption processing, the mat does not shift even when the chair is moved, as you can see. It is thin enough to allow smooth movement of the chair casters. We do not pinch the foot or roller on the mat itself. This mat is intended for hard floors only, not for pile carpets. There may be slight wrinkles when used for the first time. By ironing with an iron, the mat removes the wrinkles faster. Or you will get a big thing on it, like books, heavy things, and this will give this protection mat better lay down on the floor again. and it can be cut freely. It can be cut freely depending on the place of use and application, and it's convenient to use easily. It's an anti-slip and anti-steady. Oh yeah, and the back absorption processing, the mat does not shift even when the chair is moved. You can move with the chair on it, but the mat underneath will not. It protects our floors from scratches and dust of any kind with this perfect office doormat. For wooden floors, tiles, laminate windows, and linoleum too, no prop for it. This is really, really easy attached floor protection mat for hard floors, as you can see. The only thing is you have folded to a floor protection mat and then get it on the ground, and it will be underneath your chairs, your furnitures, your spinning bikes, for example. You can use it as you like to protect your floors from scratches. It's really good for office chairs, underlays. It's a floor mat for laminate, parquet, tiles, and hard floors, and it's available in 90 to 140 or 90 to 120. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.